Welcome to Live Fat Hacks. Did you know Samsung's latest One UI 7 update has a hidden feature that can boost your phone's battery life like never before? Stick around for this 1 minute hack that could easily save you a day when you are low on juice. Alright, here's the secret weapon. It's called Background Activity Management in One UI 7 update, and it's a game changer. Here how it works. Samsung has now added an advanced AI mode that automatically detects apps you don't use often and quietly put them to sleep. No more apps draining your battery in the background. No more waking up to a dead phone because some sneaky app kept running all night. Phone stays focused on what you actually use and the battery. It lasts way longer. If you want to save up to 20% more battery every single day, go into Settings, Battery, Background Usage Limits. In this screen, tap 3 dot in the top right hand corner and select Adaptive Battery. Now turn this on. Let Samsung's AI handle the rest. That's a smart hack for smarter battery life. Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more Samsung tips that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart hacks lead to smart living. See you in the next video.